Yeah, hi Nigel. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, we've done your CD for your jukebox, and as you can see, it's spinning away nicely. No problems at all. It's in very, very good condition, this one. It's nice when I get one of these repairs because I haven't got to see her all day cleaning the cogs. But yeah, no, we have cleaned the cogs obviously because that's something we do. We've replaced the laser with a brand new one. The error we found on this one, basically you'd put a CD in, a nice clean CD, and it would just like make a noise, and then it'd go in. It would go in, but not on all of them. So it was playing some, but not. But now it's playing. You know, it's basically playing all the CDs I've got here with no problems, and it's been on test now for a good few hours, and it's showing no signs of weakness at all. The cogs are very, very tight, which is good. So they're not jumping around all over the place. So in all honesty, you know, you should have this for many years before anything even goes wrong with it. So yeah, you got 6 months warranty if you need it. So you know, if you ever get any problems, you can give us a call on that, and we'll do the repairs free of charge. Yeah, if you can leave a feedback for us on our service, we'd be grateful, because it does help others to see that we offer this service. We would be grateful. Thank you very much, Nigel. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.